It isn't just about what we wear. Denim Privé is about our values. It's about our respect for the past. It's about our hopes for the future. It's about a story. Of a denim that doesn't withstand the test of time because it's recycled, biodegradable, circular, spun using the power of the sun. Dyed with smart indigo, woven and stitched with fair labor, and finished with a coating that removes pollution from the air as you wear it. It's the story of a denim that is designed to be part of the solution.